In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Apple Pay transaction that's been declined. First, open the wallet app and check that your card is active, has the correct billing details, and hasn't expired. Next, verify in your bank or card app if there are any alerts, fraud holds, or spending limits that might have triggered the decline. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch has stable internet connection and authenticate properly using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when making the payment. If the transaction still fails, remove the card from Apple Pay and add it back again to refresh the connection. Ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version and contact your bank or card issuer to confirm there are no restrictions or issues affecting Apple Pay transactions. So that's it.